Hi, today I got the Flipkart Smartbuy Atomic 300 ultra high speed 3 blade table fan delivered. Now let's unbox and see how it is. I got it for only 1094. The packaging is not very good. Let's open and see inside. Here is the fan. I expected it to be a little smaller, but then it's big. Big is also good because that means it will throw more air. In the packaging there is no cushion of any foam or anything used. I hope the fan is in mint condition. It's not broken. Yeah, it's in good condition. This front mesh needs to be fixed. The wire is of good quality. The plug is 2-pin, but it is heavy duty. The blades are made of plastic. As you can see, the blades are plastic. Now let me connect and switch it on. 3 speeds are there. For total 4 switches are there. 1 for turning it off and 3 other switches for controlling the fan or for 3 different speeds. The throw is good. Now let me show you. Yes, see, this is the first one, the second one. Yeah, it's good. This screw needs to be unscrewed so that the front cover can be fixed. This way it's a little difficult. Yeah, this is much better. Now I can easily fix the front cover. It's not much of a hassle. It's fixed. I just need to tighten the screw to get it properly installed. The fan looks beautiful. Yes, the screw is properly tightened. Now let me switch it on once again and see how it looks in totality. It looks great. From the back covering is also made of plastic. This is how it is. Flipkart Smartbuy table fan 300 and the wind that is coming out of it is good. Now let's listen to the sound of the fan. I'll be reducing the speed gradually and then you will hear the sound also getting less. The color is beige and it's beautiful. Thank you.